Good morning, students. How are you all? I think you all are fine and safe at your home. Children, in my last video, I have discussed about the geometry part. Yes or no? In that geometry, I have discussed about the line segment, ray, and your open close figure. Okay, yes, but today I am going to say about the polygon. What is polygon? Just see, a simple closed figure formed of 3 or more line segment. I have discussed about line segment. Okay, so if I say about the closed figure with 3 to 4 line segment, then it is called as your polygon. Just see, this is one polygon, this is 3-sided polygon, this is 4-sided polygon, this is also 4-sided polygon, and this is also 4-sided polygon. Like this way you will find that there are more polygons. Just see, I am sharing the screen over here. Just see, yes, over here this is triangle, this is quadrilateral, this is pentagon. In this we are having how many sides? 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Over here we have hexagon. Hexagon means 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Hexagon means 6-sided figure. Next is your 7-sided figure is your heptagon, and 8-sided figure is your octagon. Okay, these all are comes under the what? Polygon. Okay, the different shapes have been given. Okay, oh yes, children, this is, I have told you, this is one polygon. In this polygon, what we have, we having a here A, B, C and D. Okay, if I write it this way, this is one side, I can say, this is writing over here, this is one side, this is another side, this is another side, and this is also another side. Okay, okay, next, these all the joining point of two lines, this one and this one, is called as your vertex. This is your vertex. You will say that अगर ये vertex है तो ये क्या होगा? This is also vertex, you can say vertex, vertex. तो ये क्या होगा? This is also vertex, and this is also one vertex. Got it? So ये तुम्हारा side हुआ, this side, this is also side. Okay, I'm writing over here for better understanding. Side, and this is also side. This is your vertex. This is also one vertex. Got it? Yes. As I told you that this is one vertex, this is another vertex, this is one vertex, and this is another vertex. So I've written over here, you can see that vertex A, B, C and D. These are the 4 vertex. I've written over here, vertex equals to A, B, C and D. If I say about the side, if I give a name of each side, what I will do, I will write A, B one side, B, C one side, C, D one side and D, A one side. Yes or no? Just see, A, B, B, C, C, D and D, A one side. Okay, next comes to your 3-sided figure. Just see, over here we are having 3 sides. Yes or no? This is one side, this is another side, and this is also one side. Okay, this is called as your, the name is your triangle, means three sides is been given, and A, B, C are the vertex, and AC, AB and BC are the sides of this triangle. Okay, just see, if I give a name of this, I can say about triangle ABC, or if you want to say some other name, you can say as triangle BCA, or you can say as your CAB also, you can say it. Okay, this is another quadrilateral in which the four-sided figure has been given. This four-sided means is your rectangle. In this rectangle, you will find that the opposite sides are equal. Just see, here 5 centimeter, here also 5 centimeter. Over here is a 3 centimeter. This is also 3 centimeter. Just see, the opposite sides are equal. Yes or no? And the diagonals are also equal. This is called as diagonal. AC is one diagonal and DB is your another diagonal. These two diagonals are equal. AC and BD are equal diagonals. Okay, next comes to your this all sided equal figure. This all sided equal figure is called as your square. Though it is a quadrilateral, but in this all sides are equal, that's why we are saying as your square. In square, all sides are equal and all the diagonals, these two are the diagonals, AC and DB, these two are also equal. Got it? So now you can able to understand that these four are quadrilateral. Okay, and they have a specific name of it. Over here I have told you three-sided figure triangle. Over here I have told you this is a rectangle, and this one is your square. Suppose if I am giving you some more example so that it will be more understandable. Just see, I have drawn more three figures. Just see, this one, and this one. Can we say this is a polygon? Can you say this one? No. Why? You know, because over here we are having a curve. Okay, so this curve we cannot count as your quadrilateral or polygon. Got it? This figure also, just see, three sides have been given, but over here it has been given this way. So this is also not a polygon. This figure, can we say this is a polygon? Yes, we can say. Why? Because it has a side, but it doesn't have any curved surface. Can you see any curved surface over here? No. So this is your what? This is your polygon. Got it? Like this way you have to do it. Exercise 57. Okay, in the evening class I will be discussing the worksheet and your exercise. Till then, bye bye.